Hi, my name is Maria, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Biofit before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you guys today, okay? So the first thing about Biofit is be careful, be really careful with the website you're gonna buy Biofit, because unfortunately there are many people selling the product that is not original in websites that are not the official one. So to help you guys, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Also, pay a little bit of attention to people that are saying they use the product when they actually didn't use, and people that are not even showing their faces. Be careful with scam, okay? So what is Biofit and does it actually work? So yes, guys, Biofit works. After many tests, scientists identified that there's a formula that will make your gut flora work a lot better with probiotics that are really concentrated. And this formula will enter your organism and will make your gut flora work a lot better, and will make an enzyme called AMPK also work a lot faster. That will accelerate your metabolism, will also help you feel less hungry, and consequently, you'll see an accelerated weight and fat loss. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Biofit. In the official website, you can have a look at that as well. And there's something really incredible about this product, that you can try it for 180 days. And if you don't have results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. And also a really important alert about this product is that if you exercise and if you have healthier habits, you will see a much accelerated results. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm trying to tell you guys this because people that exercised and ate better had a much better result with Biofit. And for it to work, you also have to take one capsule a day, again, every single day, or else you won't see the results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months of using this product, okay? So you have to be a little persistent to actually see your results. And it's also important to tell you guys that there are no side effects with Biofit, okay? So if you use it, if you buy it, you have to be a little patient, do the right treatment. Also, I really strongly recommend that you exercise, that you eat healthier, because you will see a huge difference in the end of your month, in the end of 3 and 6 months of using this product. So take it seriously, because I promise you, you will see the results you need. And it's really important to share with you guys that Biofit was approved after it showed a lot of effectiveness. So there are many people having results with this product, and today it's having like a boom of sales because people are actually again having results with Biofit. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you guys about this scam that's going on with Biofit. Be careful with the website you're gonna buy it, and also if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, and if you can, exercise as well and have healthier habits, because that will help you a lot with your objectives. And keep in mind that your results will be very different from another person, because your organism acts differently than any other person in this world, okay? So I really hope this video again helped you. If you have any questions, please let down below. I'll be really glad to help you, and I hope Biofit actually helps you a lot to improve your life, to improve your self-esteem, and many other benefits that this product promotes.